Today I'll be sharing this super creative and adorable baby mobile. To create your own, you need yarn, Podge Stiffy, Vaseline, a dowel for hanging, scissors, balloons, and a bowl. Start by blowing up standard balloons to create a circular shape. The size is up to you. Tie yarn around the stem of the balloon and hang it from the dowel. Be sure that the balloon is suspended and not touching the surrounding balloons. Place the dowel between two chairs to create a drying station. I also added some tape to secure the ends. Cover each balloon in a light coating of Vaseline. This ensures that the yarn will not stick to the balloon once it is dry and popped. Add a generous amount of Mod Podge to a bowl. Dip about 3 feet of yarn into the glue. Squeeze out the excess and begin wrapping around the balloon vertically and then switching to horizontally. Try to keep the shape circular. Allow the yarn to hang for 24 hours in a dry area. Do not attempt to shorten this process. Once dry, pop and remove the balloons. Decide on which colors you will use to cover your embroidery hoop. I chose to use a little of all three. Wrap the yarn around the embroidery hoop and secure the ends with a little hot glue. Cut pieces of yarn and leave about a foot at one end. Loop the rest around the hoop a few times and tie a knot. Attach a ball to the other end. The ends at the top will be knotted in a loop to allow you to hang the mobile. This would be a wonderful homemade gift for an upcoming baby shower for a new arrival. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.